Umuntu wena uzonda umuntu omnyama, yena uzondwa ngomuntu omhlophe, but uhlezi athi basithathele imisebenzi. Wena ufuna ukusebenzela umlungu? Okay, asilalele le conversation le, ungahambi.
Africa belongs to South African. I hate foreigner. I hate Krikamba. I hate Kwara. I hate Zai. I don't like foreigner. Foreigner must go to their country. I hate foreigners. I am xenophobic. I hate, again, I hate times and times. I don't know how many times. I hate foreigners. I am xenophobic. I don't like foreigner because foreigners, I don't have a child because of foreigner. Ramaphosa, take these foreigners to their country.
I will kill you. You fuck nut. I want to kill you. I hate you. I hate the blacks.
Uyabona ukuthi labantu laba baqosha abantu barong. Abantu kumele baqoshwe yilaba. Yes.